Hi guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanna do a chat time with you without getting ready because ready na ang aking face. This is just a normal chat time while I am finishing my milk tea. But I want to address the question that I get from some of you, and that is, Ate Ayin, I wanna do beauty vlogs. What are the things that I need to get started? Sa totoo lang, I am humbled. I am beyond grateful whenever people ask me questions like this. Anything that's beauty or YouTube related. I feel like I don't have the authority yet to answer these questions. I feel really humbled because people trust me, and these people, they have their confidence in me na parang kahit hindi pa naman ako big YouTuber, being asked these questions or something related to what I just mentioned, parang it gives me that feeling na, hey, maybe I'm doing something right kasi, you know, people trust that I will give them the right answer, right? And in today's video, gusto ko lang i-share what I learned in the past, for the past 5 years of doing YouTube. But I won't be answering the what do I need question. What I will be giving you guys are tips on the things that you don't need in order to start beauty vlogging. The first thing that you don't need in order for you to start beauty vlogging is the newest, most expensive camera in the market. You don't need to buy, you don't need to shell out a huge exorbitant amount to buy the latest camera in the market in order to do beauty vlogging or vlogging in general, not just beauty vlogs. You know, a lot of people, including myself, when I was just starting out, ang mindset ko is, kailangan ko ng magandang camera kasi kailangan gumanda yung videos ko. But in reality, you don't really need a magandang camera. Kailangan lang didiskartehan mo yung pag-film mo. And it's not really just about the camera. It's also about the light. It's also about your setup. It's about your audio. Kumbaga, it's a team effort, guys. Hindi lang si camera ang makakapag-produce ng magandang video. That being said, I wouldn't recommend that you buy the latest, most expensive camera. A decent camera will do. The number one cheap camera that I can suggest is the Canon M3. I think it retails for 25,000 pesos lang, brand new, and even cheaper if you're gonna get it pre-loved. Now, ang maganda sa M3 is, yes, medyo luma na siya na model, but you can detach the lens and you can replace the lens with like a newer lens or a different kind of lens kung gusto mo na mas maganda yung video quality mo. Another camera from Canon that I'd suggest is the Canon 70 or 80D. Price range nila is around 30 to 35,000 brand new, and 30 to 35,000 pre-loved, I think. And yun ding mga cameras na yun, pwede mo rin i-replace yung mga lens nila. Now, another camera that I think is good for vlogging, if magva-vlog ka lang, is the Canon G7X. Ito, very famous to sa YouTubing world. Maraming gumagamit nito, especially mga beauty vloggers. Okay din siya, but the thing is, it's compact and hindi napapalitan yung lens niya. Another good camera is the Sony A6000. So, yun din, replaceable din yung lens niya. Now, why do I suggest cameras na replaceable yung lens? It's because I think it's smarter to buy a camera na old version na and just invest on the lens. Kasi, ganito din ako before. Akala ko yung camera ko, yun na siya. But the thing is, it's not just about the specs of the camera na makakapag-produce ka ng magandang video, but it's also about the lens. Kasi yung mga lenses, iba-iba yan ng focus, iba-iba yan ng focal point, and all those technical stuff which I won't discuss kasi hindi naman ako expert sa camera. But I really suggest na buy a cheap camera na detachable yung lens and just, you know, invest in a good lens depending on the type of videos that you will create. The second thing that you don't need if you wanna do beauty vlogging is that YouTube standard kind of background na all white, mailaw, or yung bang ginagamit ng mga kilala nating YouTubers na plain backdrop na Mahalia Jackson. So, hindi nyo kailangan yan, guys. What you can do is choose a corner in your house na pwede nyo medyo lagyan ng onting design, like onting vase na may bulaklak, or maglagay kayo ng halaman para medyo may greenery, diba, ganyan. Or kung may plain wall kayo sa bahay, yun, pwede yung gawing backdrop yun kasi maganda talaga yung plain wall kapag gumagawa ng makeup kasi yung focus is nandoon sa colors on the face. You don't need those expensive backdrop. Hindi nyo muna siya kailangan kung magsa-start pa lang kayo. Now, if you have the money to shell out, kung meron naman kayong, let's say, pinag-ipunan nyo siya talaga and gusto nyo talaga siya na backdrop kasi feeling nyo, yun talaga makakapagpa-boost sa beauty vlogs nyo, then go ahead. But, hindi siya kailangan, okay? It's not a need, it's a want. So, the next thing that you don't need is a huge collection of makeup. Hindi mo kailangan ng 20 eyeshadows, ng mga 5 foundation, 15 na blush para lang makapag-start ka mag-beauty vlog. Kahit pa, ang meron ka lang is tig-isa ng bawat category ng makeup, you can already start your beauty vlog. You can already start doing a tutorial. It's all about creativity, guys. Kaya rin ako hindi masyadong nag-haul dito sa aking channel. It's because I wanna inspire creativity and not consumerism. Sa totoo lang, meron ako mga binibili na makeup, but I really don't showcase them, yung tipong i-haul ko silang lahat because there's really no point. And pangalawa, if I wanna try them, I'll just do a review about them. Kasi feeling ko, mas maganda yon, mas focused siya, diba? And that's why I'm saying this now, na you don't need a huge collection in order for you to get started with your beauty channel. For example, isang eyeshadow palette lang yung meron ka. Then, do different looks using that palette, diba? And let me tell you that the less makeup that you have, the more that you get to use each and every product that you have, and that's value for money for me kasi diba nga yung aking equation is value for money equals number of usage. So kung onti lang yung makeup mo, mas okay yon kasi ibig sabihin magagamit mo talaga sila to the fullest. Wala kang maaaksaya, walang ma-expire na hindi mo nauubos or hindi mo nahihit pan, diba? Another thing that you may not need is a ring light or artificial light. Now, bakit may not need? Kasi depende pa rin to. If you have a room that can give you natural light, then you wouldn't need artificial light like ring light or yung mga LED lights, hindi mo kailangan yon. Kung halimbawa, madilim yung kwarto mo or yung bahay ninyo, or let's just say, sa gabi ka lang talaga pwede mag-video kasi busy ka sa umaga, may work ka, may studies ka, nag-aalaga ka ng anak, diba? Then, yun, kailangan mo siya. But if you are not required or if you don't have to film at night and you have a huge window na pwede kang humarap doon to do your makeup, then just do that, okay? Hindi mo kailangan kagad mag-shell out ng money for a ring light na worth, what, 6 to 10,000 pesos. Just make use of natural lighting and you are good to go. And last but not the least, you don't need to be very, very good at doing your own makeup to start your beauty vlog. Some people think na, ay, hindi ko kaya mag-beauty vlog kasi hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-makeup. Ayoko maggawa ng eyeshadow looks kasi hindi ako marunong mag-blend. Naku guys, panoorin niyo yung mga luma kong videos and malalaman niyo kung gaano ako hindi marunong dati. Pero, naniniwala ako, I am a firm believer of practice. That practice can help you be good at whatever it is that you wanna do. Lahat naman, kahit hindi sa pag-beauty vlog, let's say sa sports, if you're an artist, lahat yan, lahat ng mga nakikita nyong magaling ngayon, lahat yan nag-train, lahat yan nag-practice. So, treat your beauty vlog as your platform to enhance your skills. Ako, yun yung mindset ko. I know na hindi ako magaling mag-blend ng eyeshadow, na work in progress pa rin ako up to now kasi minsan fail pa rin ako. But you know what? Comparing my videos before and now, I'd like to think na medyo nag-improve na naman ako, di ba? Sabihin nyo ako, nag-improve na ako, please. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be very, very, very good, makeup artist level kind of good in order for you to do a beauty vlog. You can treat this beauty vlog as a platform for you to enhance your makeup skills. Practice will not make you perfect because nobody is perfect, but practice can definitely make you better at what you do. Start with your beauty vlog and then continue doing it, and every time that you do your vlog, every time you post a video, review your video, think of how can I improve this makeup look? What is it that I did wrong? How can I improve my next video? So it's really just about improving yourself each time that you do a video. So there you have it, guys. Those are the things that I feel, that I think, that I know you don't need in order for you to start beauty vlogging. I've been here since 2014 and I've committed a lot of mistakes in the past, and I don't want you guys to commit the same mistakes. I don't want you guys to live with that kind of perspective or mindset na meron ako before na ngayon ko lang na-realize na mali pala. So if you want to do a beauty vlog, go ahead and try it out. You can always stop if you feel like hindi ko talaga kaya, diba? But don't stop if you haven't even tried it yet. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope you guys find this video helpful and interesting. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos, and so that you'll be part of our clique here. And yeah, so I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!